Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about singular and plural nouns, which is one of the most important grammar for beginners. So stay until the end of the lesson to get all the points. Let's dive in. First of all, we will have a review of the noun. So therefore, we have this question: what is a noun? As we have talked in previous lessons, a noun can be a person, a noun can be place, a noun can be thing, or a noun can be animal. Let me tell you that the nouns are divided into two different categories: countable nouns and uncountable nouns. A countable noun is a noun that we can count that, but an uncountable noun is a noun that we cannot count that. So this is the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. And the next point that I'm going to tell you is that only the countable nouns have singular and plural forms, but uncountable nouns do not have plural forms. Therefore, today we're going to talk about countable nouns, which have singular and plural form. Now that we have understood the countable and uncountable nouns, let's see what a singular noun is and what a plural noun is. The word singular means one of something. Like this example, this is singular because there is one. But plural means more than one, like this example. So this is plural because there is more than one, but this is singular. Now that you have understood the difference between singular and plural, let's continue the lesson and learn how to change a singular noun to plural form. Therefore, we have this question: how to change a singular noun to plural form. Here we have two different types of nouns: regular nouns and irregular nouns. Regular means the nouns that have a rule to change them to plural form, but irregular means there is not any rule to change them to plural form. Therefore, to change a regular noun to plural form, you need to add s, es, ies, or ves. It's very easy. Just add one of them to change that to plural form. But for irregular nouns, there is not any rule, like these examples. Man, which means one man. Man, which means more than one. Child, which means one. Children, which means more than one child. Mouse, mice. So these are the examples of irregular nouns. You see, there is not any rule to change them. Okay, now let's go to the next part of the lesson and learn how to add these letters to make a plural noun. Rule number 1, add s to make a plural noun. It means generally we add the letter s at the end of a noun to make it plural. It's very easy. Let's see these examples together. Student, which means one student. Students, which means more than one student. Pen, pens. Dog, dogs. Park, parks. You see, it's very easy. You just need to add s to make the plural form of these nouns. Okay, let's continue the lesson and see the second rule. Rule number 2. The nouns ending in s, ss, sh, ch, x, or z, add es to make it plural. It means if a noun ends in one of these letters, you need to add es to make it plural. Like these examples. Bus, buses. You see, the noun bus ends in s, so we add es to make it plural. Class, classes, bush, bushes, church, churches, box, boxes, quiz, quizzes. It's very easy. You just need to remember if a noun ends in one of these letters, add es. Now let's see the third rule. Rule number 3. The nouns ending in a consonant plus y, drop the y, add ies. It means if a noun ends in letter y and before y there is a consonant letter, you need to drop the y, then add ies. Like these examples. City, you see it ends in y and before y there is letter t, which is a consonant. So we drop the y and add ies, cities. The next example, party, parties, baby, babies, lady, ladies. You see, in all these examples, we have a consonant plus y. So we drop the y and add ies. But if the noun ends in y and before y there is a vowel, we just add s to make the plural form. Let's see these examples. The noun boy ends in y, but before y we have the letter o, which is a vowel. So we add only s to make it plural. The next example, keys, toys, days. All these nouns end in y, but before y there is a vowel letter. So we just add s to make the plural form. Great. Now let's continue the lesson and see rule number 4. The nouns ending in f or fe, drop f or fe, add ves. Like these examples. Knife. You see the noun knife ends in fe. So we drop fe and add ves to make it plural. Like knives. Wife, wives. Wolf, wolves. And the last example, leaf, leaves. Great, very easy. You just need to remember if noun ends in fe or f, drop fe or f, add ves. Great. These are the 4 rules to change a singular noun to plural form. Now let's go to the last part of the lesson and see some irregular nouns. Irregular nouns. There is not any rule for irregular nouns. It means to change an irregular noun to plural form. There is not a rule or regulation to change that. You just need to memorize and remember their plural form. So here we have a list of the most important irregular nouns that you need to learn. Number 1, man, which means one man. Mean means more than one. Woman, women. Child, children. Person, people. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. Crisis, crisis. Analysis, analysis. Thesis, thesis. The nouns in black color are singular, but the one in green are their plural form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel, like the videos, and share your ideas in the comment section.